More than 7 years have passed since Proton launched an all-new sedan, so please excuse me if I sound a little bit too excited. Nevertheless, now it is time to meet Proton's new pride and joy, the Proton S70. Well, if you're wondering how it is like to drive the brand new sedan from Proton, as well as in-depth details regarding its interior quality and space, then you have to check out our excellent Proton S70 first drive with my colleague Jonathan through the link in the description below. For this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide regarding the 4 variants of Proton S70, and hopefully this guide will be useful to everyone, especially those who are considering to get their hands on the new sedan. Regardless of the variant that you choose, all Proton S70 are equipped with the same 3-cylinder 1.5-litre turbocharged engine that produces 148 horsepower alongside a maximum torque of 226 Nm. Paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, the S70 can go from 0 to 100 km/h in under 10 seconds, although its top speed was not mentioned by Proton. Alright, let's move on to the features that you can get with each of the Proton S70 variants. Starting with the base executive model, which can be yours for 70,800 ringgit. This is the only S70 model with halogen headlamps, although it still has LED daytime running lights, which come as standard in all Proton S70. You also have to manually fold its side mirrors, but fret not, they are still motorized, which means you still can adjust the side mirrors using the control buttons inside the car. The S70 Executive also comes with 16-inch wheels, urethane steering wheel, fabric seats, analog meter panel, and 8-inch infotainment system with a 4 speakers audio system. In terms of safety features, 6 airbags are a standard across all Proton S70 variants, as well as anti-lock braking system, electronic brake distribution, auto brake hold, electronic stability control, traction control system, hill hold assist. Despite being the base variant, the executive option still has some basic ADAS features, including rear collision warning, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, and door opening warning. This variant also features 3 rear parking sensors, which is a standard again for all Proton S70 variants. But unfortunately, it is not equipped with front parking sensor. Well, there you have it for the executive variant of the Proton S70. Time to move on to the second variant in the list, the Premium, which comes with a price tag of 79,800 ringgit. So, from the Premium variant onwards, you would receive LED headlamps, auto fold feature for the side mirrors, and the stylish rear tail light bar. You also get leatherette steering wheels and seats. The Premium variant also has reverse camera and 2 front parking sensors. However, the rest of the features for the S70 Premium variant are generally the same with the executive option, which includes 17-inch wheels, 8-inch infotainment system, 4-speaker audio setup, and selected ADAS features. From Premium, let's go to the Flagship variant that is priced at 89,800 ringgit. With this variant, you would then get upgraded to the 17-inch wheels, in addition to a larger 12.3-inch infotainment system and support for 4G as well as Wi-Fi connectivity. S70 Flagship also has 6-speaker audio system and wireless charger. If you want a full-fledged ADAS with your S70, this is also the variant that you need to check out. With the Flagship variant, the list of ADAS features has been expanded to include autonomous emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane departure prevention, lane centering control, traffic sign information, intelligent high beam control, intelligent cruise control, and of course, adaptive cruise control with stop and go support. Not enough with that, the Flagship option also has tire pressure monitoring system and 360-degree camera with 3D display. Well, now it is time to meet the top of the line option for the new Proton S70, the Flagship X. Available for 94,800 ringgit, this is the only S70 that has sunroof and a digital video recorder, while the rest of the features for this variant is generally the same as per flagship option. On paper, the best value for money variants for Proton S70 are clearly the premium and flagship options. Through the premium variant, you get some interior and exterior upgrades while keeping the price at around 80,000 ringgit. On the other hand, you get all the best features that the S70 has to offer through the flagship option. Although some may feel that the upgrade to Flagship X to get the sunroof might be worth the extra 5,000 ringgit. With a starting price of less than 75,000 ringgit, do you think the new Proton S70 will make a big mark in our market? Well, let us know in the comment section below. But before that, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, please hit the bell icon above so that you get notified whenever we release a new video. Stay tuned for more automotive content here at soytinchao.com. My name is Chapree and this is the brand new Proton S70. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.